Hey everybody, welcome back to the hardest info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make your daily board be opened with your voice on the Samsung Smart Monitor. First, go to left where all your options are and here scroll to settings. Click all settings and now scroll to the advanced features. Scroll to daily board and here the first option is enable voice. You can turn this off or on and then yes. And that's how it works. When the screen is off, press the remote button to show useful info against a beautiful wallpaper background. It will turn off automatically after the time you have set. This feature also supports voice recognition. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.